Hello, and welcome back to another Cruisin with Corey. This video is a continuation of the last video I uploaded on this channel of an interesting DoorDash shopping experience that I never had before. If it's your first time, I'm a dad, doesn't work a traditional job because of the way that my family is set up. So these gig apps are how I make my money. They are very important to me. I take you along for the ride, give you my tips and tricks. Sometimes we do some travel. But if you want the precursor to this, go ahead and watch my prior video. But we're going to jump into a phone call I got from DoorDash just as I was about to start a shopping order.
Store associate tells you an item is not stocked on a shelf. Please text us that feedback and a photo of the shelf where the missing item was supposed to be, and we will count that as an item found. Would you like to accept?
Yes.
I will send you a text with the challenge instructions and a phone number where you can send the photos and store employee feedback. You must respond within 15 minutes of dropping the order off to the phone number in the text message to opt in. If you don't text this number, you won't be included in this challenge. Do you need anything else?
No.
Thanks for picking up today, Corey. Good luck and happy shopping.
So, I'm on a mission.
Going on a mission, going on a mission. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go!
If I find all of the items with no substitutions, I get an extra $10. And if I can prove, yep, here it is right here. Get an extra $10 for finding in your shop. I don't know what a DSD order is. Very weird. Okay. Let's go. We did have to do 2 substitutions. I'll talk about it when I get out. All right, so we shopped. So to summarize, or the summation of that is, I finished that last Walmart shop, and you know, naturally I always look for something to go home, but usually I don't get an exact unicorn that's going to my house. And because this is going to my house, I'm not showing you the drop-off, but it's a Shaw's DSD order. I don't know what that means, but they wanted me to take a picture of anything that was not in stock genuinely. Take a picture, send it to the specific link they texted me. Because the original challenge was if I find every single item, I get a bonus $10. There was 3 items I could not find, 2 items I could not find, both of which would not have been what I would have expected. But regardless, I took the picture. It didn't let me, it said in the app, cannot message the customer directly. So I really don't understand. My only guess is Shaw's, which is also Albertsons for other people, other parts of the country. Are they outsourcing their own online deliveries to DoorDash? That was my guess, but I don't know. So because I didn't find everything 100%, I will have to wait and see if they process my bonus $10.
Nice.
I'm not really worried about it either way, but it would be nice to get the $10, and I did diligently look for the items. So, I mean, it's not my fault. So, I don't know if this is a pilot thing. I don't know if it's just I've never done it before. I don't know if it's because I'm now a pro shopper, but whatever. I'll drop this off. I'll add $30 to my total, and I'll keep you updated if I end up getting that bonus. So, in hindsight, I am guessing this is a lead-in to the new pro shopper requirements that are changing in the future. So I wonder if there's a correlation there, but either way, I'll take the $10, happy about it. Made it a much better day for me, and we'll move on. Make sure you like, share, comment, subscribe. We're growing this slowly, and we're having fun doing it. Let's see if we can bring some more friends along for the ride. This is Cruisin' with Corey. Corey out.
it sound right, boy.